The reason why that's important is because there's this theory that we've talked about for the last 3 to 4 years, and that is that altcoins are oscillators at best. I believe I've spoken about this since 2019 when I started my YouTube channel. We've been looking at charts like this, or this one, or something similar to it. And the idea is that no matter how great you think your altcoin is, right? Well, maybe I'm not talking about your alt, but no matter how great you think your friend's altcoin might be, there is this reality that it's probably going to be an oscillator at best against Bitcoin. Meaning that when you look at lows for the altcoin market, you'll notice that the altcoin market before the alt season of 2017 hit 0.25. And before the alt season of 2020 and 2021 also hit 0.25. In fact, we actually saw that go down to 0.18 in December of 2020. But the point is that before the alt season of 2017 and before the alt season of 2021, alt Bitcoin pairs, meaning the relative valuation of altcoins against Bitcoin, went to 25% of Bitcoin's market cap. That's what 0.25 means. So the collective altcoin market was worth 25% of Bitcoin's market cap. So for the past 4 years, throughout this entire phase, I've been trying to convince people that this is not alt season. Because the altcoin market, while it has slowly gone down, it has not gone down to 25% of Bitcoin's market cap. It doesn't mean it has to get all the way there exactly, especially if you include other stablecoins, although I think there's a really good chance that it will. My only point is that a lot of people could have saved themselves a lot of pain this cycle if they had just looked at this chart and assumed that this time was not different. That does not mean you shouldn't have bought any other cryptocurrencies throughout the last few years. Obviously, there have been trades to make, obviously, and we've talked about some of those. But the point is, had you kept your crypto portfolio primarily Bitcoin heavy, you probably would have outperformed a majority of the altcoin market, especially when you look at the collective last 4 years.